They called it a miracle for healthy cooking, but every crunch could be coating your food in poison. Intel File 009, the air fryer fallout, for resistance eyes only. You brought it home because it promised less oil, less mess, less guilt. But what you didn't know was that every time that basket heats up, a chemical war begins right inside your kitchen. Most air fryers use non-stick coatings laced with PFAS, the forever chemicals linked to hormone disruption, infertility, and cancer. Once the heat passes 400 degrees, those coatings break down and release toxic fumes, invisible but inhaled with every breath. Even the models labeled eco or green often hide fluoropolymers under different names. The truth? The smell you call crispy might be a chemical cocktail. Studies have already found PFAS in 95% of air fryers tested in 2023. That residue doesn't vanish. It builds up, in your home, in your blood, and in the bodies of the people you love. Your mission: ditch the plastic baskets. Replace them with stainless steel or ceramic-coated models, like the Our Place Wonder Oven and the Green Pan Air Fryer. Find the resistance links below. Safer heat, same crunch, no toxins, full intel and safer swaps at detoxthehome.com. Protect your kitchen, protect your crew. This message will self-clean in 5 seconds.